Hello, hi to all. This is Srinivas Rao Kongara from Department of IT, RVR and JC College of Engineering, Guntur. And in this video, I'm going to discuss about how to create your own website using WordPress. And first, you open the tab and just click www.wordpress.com. You'll find a page with of WordPress, and in this page you can find in the top right corner there are two tabs, that is login and get started. And if you want to log in, just click on this page login, and immediately you will find two options, that is either you can provide a email address or username. And second alternative is, even if you don't have an account, you can log in. There is a way, that is using Google account. You can log in. Uh, exactly, anybody who have a Gmail, they can log into this WordPress.com. I'm just using this using Google, and you will find this sign on page. I'm using this my mail ID and provide this password. This is Gmail password, and click on next. Then it will show you actually the WordPress. Yes, now you can see this WordPress, and in this you can find in the top leftmost corner you can find two tabs. By default, this is the tab that is going to be highlighted. This is reader, which have this information which is already presented by you, the recent things. And in the first tab, site, there are different options that are available under this tab. There are a lot of options are available into different categories, that is to manage and for personalize and configure. There are different options. In this video, I'm going to discuss about the site pages and the blog pages mostly. And because we are going to create a site and as well as blog also. Okay. And first, let me show you how to create the site. And click on these site pages. These are all already created sites by me, and I'm going to create a new site for the just for creation of a site. And in the site pages, just click on this add. You'll find something like uh, the site that you want to create. It will ask you for the title. I'm giving the title as KS Rao, and you can give some whatever the text that you want to provide to describe about this the site. This is for demo. Okay. And even if you want to add something to this, you can add from here also. There is a button add available, and click on the media. So you can select either images, or you can select any one of this what are already uploaded media to your WordPress.com. You can use them, because these are all the things which I have uploaded, and some of the images which are available by default. And I'm just using this image and insert. So this image is also inserted, right? So you can likewise you can add anything. And after this, you what you need to do is, if the button is highlighted, you can use this save, or else you can just use this close. So by default, it is going to be saved. And after that, by default, the page is not going to be, you cannot see the page that you have created here. By default, it is going to be available in the drafts, right? So can you able to see this KS raw, whatever the page that I have created, and you can find some options here. So among these options, even if you want to edit this page, you can edit by using edit option. So already we have done some edition. So I'm going to use this publish. After publish, it is going to be uh, come to this published pages. Now you can able to see this page in published, right? So this is how a simple uh, page can be created. And now you can see the site which is already exist by clicking on this view site by using new tab, or directly you can use view site also. So this is the site which I have already created. So these are all which are already created by me, but you cannot able to see whatever the site that we have created just right now, right? KS raw, whatever the uh, page that we have created, we cannot able to see here, right? How to add that page is, we'll see. Again, come back to the page, WordPress, and now see in the personalize, under the personalize category, you have one option that is available, customize, right? So click on that customize and go to the options that is menus, and in the category of primary, because this is by default it is available in the primary only. So come to this, all these are all you might have seen, these are available already in the existing site. Now you need to click on this add items, and in the add items, whatever the page that you have created, you click on that. So that is default, it is going to be added, right? So this page default, it is going to be added to the next whatever already existing that are available. But you want to change this to any place, you can change that, and you can bring it as a subcategory, or you can make it as at the same level also. So I'm just keeping at the last only, and then you have to use publish. So then only you can able to see in the original page. So already you can see this is KS raw, which is available as one of the tab among all the tabs that is there, right? So now you just click on this option, whatever you have placed, whether it is there or not, you can able to see. So this is how you can simply create a single web page on your website. Okay. Next we will see how to create a blog, right? Click on the view site. I'm just checking whether it is came or not. Yes, it is came. So this is what you can able to find the site. Okay. I'll move on to the next item, that is blogs. This is, as I said, I'm going to discuss these two things, that is site pages and blog posts. So click on this blog post. Already I have three different blog posts that are created. Now I'm going to add one more. So this is uh, if you click on add, then it gives you similar to your page. Now we need to provide the name of the blog, that is I'm giving it as demo blog. Okay. Similarly, you can add anything, you can give, even if you want to provide your contact form, you can provide this contact form. By default, these are the four things that is available. Even if you want to add, let us say, one more field, you can add from this add new add new field. So anyway, I'm not providing this.